Good morning, students. I hope you all would be good. Welcome in our English class. Today I am going to explain chapter 2, The Brave Pizza Delivery Boy. The Brave Pizza Delivery Boy. This is the chapter name. So we are starting this chapter from a story where a man is trying to find out the way to uh, just correct the puncture, how to correct the puncture. Okay, so you can see in the book it is written, a man is trying to replace a tire of his car because of a puncture. Accidentally he drops the four nuts used to hold the tire. They roll and drop into a drain nearby. It means that a man is trying to correct the puncture of his car tire, but he is unable to do. Why? Because some of nuts they went or they flowed into the drain. Drain means sewer. He doesn't know how to put the new tire in place. Just then a girl passing by offers help. Means he was not knowing now that what to do in this situation, how to correct the puncture. Then suddenly one girl was just passing from that side. She offered a help that I can help you in this situation, I can give you some ideas. So she gives him a simple solution and he is able to drive home. So finally she gave him solution. That what solution? What do you think was the girl's solution? Remember, he didn't have any spare set of nuts in his car. Now he didn't has any type of nuts, extra nuts in his car. Nut is the part of a metallic thing, you can say. You must have seen that nuts. It is of round shape and it is used in the car to tighten the tire. Now next, the girl asked him to remove two of the four nuts from the tire on the opposite side of the car and put them on the tire. He was trying to replace and drive on until he finds two more nuts from a service center. Please do not attempt this. So what happened at last? That the girl asked him to use four of the nuts from the opposite side of the car. He can use at the place of that puncture tire, and he can just drive the car for some of the minutes until and unless he will not get the service center. Till then he will reach to service center, that car can run easily. So this idea we should not give to any person. It can cause an accident also. So whenever the service center is provided, we can call them or we can make a call to have someone's help. Now come to the page number 24. Now read this story. Rana was a pizza delivery boy. Everyone called him Pizzo. One boy is there whose name is Pizzo. So he is delivering the pizzas to the home. Means he was doing the home delivery of the pizzas. His job was to deliver pizzas to homes that had ordered them. Means those people had ordered the pizzas and he was just supposed to deliver them. Means he was working with the pizza company and he was delivering the pizza. Okay. The pizzas were put into cartons, which he would place in a box behind the seat on his moped. So moped is a type of bike where the people can sit together, they can carry the things backside, and in the same way Pizzo was also doing. He was carrying the pizza carton. He was carrying the pizza carton, and in that pizza carton so many pizzas were kept. Every day on the daily basis he was delivering the pizzas to houses. He was doing door to door service. Okay, now he would then go from house to house and deliver them. When he went to deliver pizza to a house, Pizzo usually left the pizza box on his moped unlocked, because that way he could make his deliveries faster. What he planned, that when he started his job, that if I will unlock the pizza box I can deliver or I can give the pizzas very fast to the people. So hurry and bury. In hurry and bury, we always spoil a curry. That is a type of idiom you can say. In hurry and bury, we always spoil a curry. Means jaldi ka kaam shaitan ka. So in that way, that boy Pizzo, he was used to do this work every day. So that's why he was not locking the cartons, and he was just used to open that box always, and he was just taking all the pizzas very fast, and he was delivering to the everyone. Okay, so one evening he had 5 pizzas to deliver to 5 different houses. He stopped at the first house and went in to deliver the pizza. What happened one day? That he kept 5 pizzas together. He kept 5 pizzas together in that carton, and he didn't lock it. As usually he was doing every day, that he didn't lock the box, and he opened the box. He took 1 pizza from that to deliver to the house, and when he left the box, he entered to the house to deliver the pizza. What happened? When he came out, he saw 2 young men on a motorbike. 2 young men on a motorbike stealing pizzas from his box. They were stealing pizzas from the box. They were taking pizzas away from the box, means in a stealing manner. So they took the pizzas and sped away. Means they took pizzas and they sped away. They went away from there. They ran away from there. Pizzo didn't raise an alarm. Means Pizzo, he was not shouting on them. He planned that I can teach them a lesson. I can trap them in their own way. I can beat them at their own game. Means this is a type of phrase. I can beat them at their own game. Own game means when someone is caught in their own trap. That is called the that person is bitten in that in her or his own game. So it is a type of trapping, or it is a method to trap someone in their own game. He said to himself, he secretly followed their bike. He secretly followed the bike. He saw them stopping in front of a house. What did he do? He was just following the bike of those 2 people. They were pretending to be pizza delivery boys. So because they had the pizza in their box, so they were pretending. They were just making their role like a pizza delivery boy. They rang the doorbell. They knocked the door. When the door opened, the 2 men barged into the house and tied up the man and the women in the house. So in that house, one couple was living there. One was men, one was women. So those 2 boys, they tied up. They just tied their hands like that with the rope, and they were just about to kidnap. Means those boys, they kidnapped that couple. Pizzo saw all the happenings through a side window. Means he was peeping into from a window that these 2 boys are just dangerous. They are doing the wrong things. Okay. So Pizzo quickly called the police. What did he do? He called the police by the mobile phone. He told them this family is in danger. He informed on the emergency number, which is 112 these days. So whenever you find out someone in the danger, you can also call to police. That number is 112. So he called the police that this family is in danger. Pizzo thought to himself, means he planned himself that I know the police will take a while to arrive. Means police will take a few minutes. Police will take few minutes to arrive that house. I have to do something to stop the 2 young men from stealing anything and running away from the house. So what he planned, that I can stop these 2 people. If I will pretend like a police, if I will behave like a police, I can pretend like a police, and I can just save this family from the stealing and looting. So he went and stood just outside the front door and shouted, you are surrounded. Come out with your hands raised and eyes shut. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. What he said that in a policeman voice, he was pretending that he is a policeman. Earlier, two boys were pretending that they are the pizza delivery boys. Now, the Pizzo is pretending that he is a policeman. So, what is the duty of the policeman? How do they catch the thief? They say that hands up, shut your eyes, and come out of the house. You are under arrest. So they were frightened. Those two thieves were frightened. The thieves were alarmed. They began to walk out of the house with their hands raised and eyes closed. And their eyes were closed. Means they were not watching that who was standing outside. Pizzo wondered, what will I do now? What will I do now? So he was just thinking in his mind that if police will not reach till then, if these two thieves will see me that I am a pizza delivery boy and I am pretending like a police, what will happen with me? What if one of them opens their eyes and sees me? If one of them will open the eyes, how will they behave with me? How will they treat me? To his luck, means he was lucky that day, that the police arrived just then and took the thieves away. That time police that arrived that door, that house, and they took the thieves away. The family thanked Pizzo and invited him to join them for dinner. So that family was very nice family. That couple was very nice. So that's why, to pay the thank to the Pizzo, they invited Pizzo on the dinner. That night Pizzo ate for free. He told himself, I must remember to lock my box always. So that night Pizzo planned in his mind, and he decided that next time onwards I will always lock my pizza box so that no one can steal the pizzas from there. And there is one lesson hidden in this story, that we should always show the humanity to everyone. Whenever someone is in danger, we can help them. We should show our humanity towards them. We should help them anyhow. We should not think like that what is the matter to help them. We should not bother. We should always bother about others also. Okay, this is our humanity. This is our nature. This is the nature of the human being. So this was all about this chapter. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Next time we will meet with the exercise of this chapter, the Brave Pizza Delivery Boy. Thank you everyone.